Hello and welcome to my Patreon page. So I started this Patreon. My phone is just after giving a buzz there. It distracted me a bit. The joys of creating. But anyway, I started this Patreon page just coming up on 3 months now. I talk about Forex, commodities and crypto. So far I've covered crypto and I've covered Forex, and down the road I'll be covering commodity content as well. So what this Patreon is, it's a comprehensive program of tutorials put together by me in the form of written articles, slide presentations and videos, and it is very comprehensive and in-depth, and it's very beginner friendly, and just for as little as $5 a month, just a little €4 Irish money, you can join my Patreon community. And when you go into it now, you can see that this will be 30 posts now that I've created, and some are free. You can see the full video, the full article, etc., slide presentation, but you can see that others, there's just a preview and then it's locked. That means that you'll get full access when you join for, just as I said, $5 a month, just a little over €4. So I think it's a fair price. I'm putting it together. It is very comprehensive. It's beginner friendly, but I'm putting a lot of work into it. So in about a year's time, there'll be quite a build up of everything. There'll be a good library of information, and you'll have full access to that for just $5 a month. And you can go through the whole lot, and you have the option to cancel anytime. Now, I hope you don't cancel. So to date, as I said, I'm coming up on 3 months with this Patreon page, and it's just an extension of my YouTube channel. I know I talk about the stock market and Bitcoin mainly on the YouTube channel, and on this Patreon page, I'm talking about other cryptocurrencies, and I'm talking about Forex, and I'll be talking about commodities down the road, and it'll be a comprehensive program all put together. So you will gain quite valuable information for the amount you pay. So it's a decent, I think it's a decent offer. I'll be putting a lot of work into this, gradually building it step by step, and you will gain access to it all for just a small amount of money, and you'll be helping me as well as a creator. And like, I do really enjoy the YouTube and everything like that, but it's nice to branch out and talk about other markets. They all kind of tie in. Now, I'm not saying you need to trade all these markets, but it is good to know and have a comprehensive knowledge of all of these markets, and that's what I'm offering in between my free YouTube and my paid Patreon. So that's just to give you a breakdown of what I'm offering at present, and how easy it is to join. You can either join the free version or the paid version. All the exclusive posts, you'll unlock all the videos, the written articles, slide presentations, etc. for just, as I said, $5 a month. And yeah, I've one Patreon to date, one person on the free version. So I'm going to keep working on it, and I would like to see more people join. You can see the link on my YouTube channel. It's the very first link. You can also see on the description from my YouTube videos from here on in, I'll have my Patreon page as the first link. So I hope you do join. I said I'd just give this little update. It's nearly 3 months on. And yeah, thanks for watching and welcome. And I hope you do join. Again, good value for the price paid. Thank you.